Hi and welcome to Chemipedia chemistry classes for 11th and 12th standard. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of alkyne compounds. So alkynes are triple bonded compounds. General molecular formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. N can have number 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, right. So now let us go for the naming of alkyne compounds. This is a first member of alkyne, formula CH triple bond CH, which is called as acetylene, common name. Then IUPAC name based on carbon number. So it's a compound with 2 carbon atoms, so it's called ethyne. The next member with 3 carbon atoms, CH3 single bond C, triple bond CH. The common name of this compound is methyl acetylene. Methyl acetylene. Here, this is nothing but acetylene portion. This is acetylene portion. Then this methyl group can be considered as a substituent in acetylene. So that it is named as methyl acetylene in common system. Whereas in our UPS system, it's called as propyne. 3 carbon derivative. So propyne. So look at the next compound. 4 carbon derivative, isn't it? Here, this is nothing but acetylene portion. CH triple bond CH portion is nothing but acetylene portion. Then there is a ethyl group, isn't it? So it is called as ethyl acetylene. So common name. So IUPAC name, total carbon 4. So it is butane derivative, isn't it? Then while giving number, the triple bond is getting least number 1. So that it's called as 1-butane. So next compound also with 4 carbon atoms. The previous one, this one have same molecular formula. So these two are nothing but isomers. Only difference, they differ in the position of triple bond. So that these two are positional isomers. Whereas here triple bond is at first carbon. Here it is at second carbon. That's the basic difference between this compound and this one. Okay, right. Now, so this is acetylene portion. C triple bond C is nothing but acetylene portion. So either side you have methyl group, isn't it? So it is called as dimethyl acetylene, common name. Then IUPAC name, total carbons 4. So butane. The triple bond is next to second carbon, isn't it? So that's called as 2-butane. The next one is a 5 carbon derivative, isn't it? There is a methyl group at the branch. Now, so common name, this is nothing but acetylene portion, isn't it? So this side you have a propyl group, branch propyl group. So it's nothing but isopropyl. So this is supposed to be isopropyl acetylene. The common name of this compound is isopropyl acetylene. Now the IUPAC name, for giving IUPAC name, we have to select the longest carbon chain. So this is the longest carbon chain, either horizontal or you can go this way also. Okay, both are equivalent. So we go for the horizontal one for convenience. Okay, right. The numbering, I proceed in a backward direction, remembering the rule that least number to the triple bond, isn't it? So the triple bond is getting number 1. So it is supposed to be 1-butane. 1-butane. This is a methyl substituent. So methyl 1-butane. Methyl group is bonded at third carbon of the parental carbon chain. So 3-methyl 1-butane. Okay. We go for the next one. This is acetylene portion, isn't it? CH triple bond C portion. So now look at this group. An alkyl group with 3 carbons. So unbranched alkyl group, isn't it? N-propyl group. Probably this may be N-propyl acetylene. N-propyl acetylene, that is a common name. In common name, so alkyne derivatives are considered as acetylene, substituted acetylene derivatives. Okay, right. So common name of this compound is nothing but N-propyl acetylene, isn't it? Right. Now IUPAC name, totally there are 5 carbon atoms, isn't it? So that it is a pentyne derivative. Then the numbering in a forward direction. So for this carbon gets least number 1, isn't it? So 1 pentyne. Right. Then look at the next one. This is acetylene portion, C triple bond C. Right side ethyl group, left side methyl group. So that this is ethyl methyl acetylene. It is supposed to be ethyl methyl acetylene. This is the common name. So IUPAC name, totally there are 5 carbon atoms. So it is pentyne derivative. The numbering we have to proceed in a forward direction. Then only the triple bond will get at least number 2, isn't it? So that triple bond is at carbon number 2. So it is called as 2-pentyne. Okay. Common name is ethyl methyl acetylene. IUPAC name 2-pentyne. Next one with 6 carbon atoms, isn't it? So this is acetylene portion. Either side there are ethyl groups, isn't it? Either side we have ethyl group. So it's nothing but ethyl acetylene. It's nothing but diethyl acetylene. What is it? Diethyl acetylene. That is common name. Okay. So IUPAC name, longest carbon chain, parental carbon chain. This one, 6 carbon atoms. So hexane. Triple bond numbering can be done in any way. Okay, because the triple bond is exactly at the center of the parental carbon chain. So you can proceed either in a forward direction or backward direction. Anyway, the carbon or the triple bond carbon gets least number 3. So it is called 3 hexane. Okay, 6 carbon hexane, triple bond next to third carbon, 3 hexane. Now this one, this is a acetylene portion, isn't it? C triple bond C. Right side methyl group, left side isopropyl group. Left side isopropyl group. So that common name is probably methyl isopropyl acetylene. Methyl isopropyl acetylene. Okay, right. Now let us see how to give the IUPAC name for this compound. Okay, so select the longest carbon chain, this one. Even you can go this way also. Okay, this one. But both are equivalent, so I choose the horizontal one. There are 5 carbon atoms. So pentyne, the numbering I start from right side because carbon gets least number 2. So 2 pentyne. Then this methyl group which is in the branch can be considered as a substituent. So methyl pentyne, isn't it? Methyl group located at carbon number 4. So 4 methyl, triple bond second carbon, 2, 5 carbon atoms are there. So 2 pentyne. 4 methyl, 2 pentyne is the IUPAC name. Okay, right. So next one. Yeah, highly branched, isn't it? There are 3 methyl groups in the branches. 2 in the upper side, then 1 is in the lower side, isn't it? Right. Probably this is isopropyl group, this is tertiary butyl group, isn't it? Tertiary butyl isopropyl acetylene can be the common name of this derivative, isn't it? Right, now we go for IUPAC name. I remember, let us discuss mainly about IUPAC name. Okay, so this is the longest carbon chain with 6 carbon atoms, isn't it? Triple bond is exactly at the center, so that numbering we start from left hand side, isn't it? Right. So now we start from left hand side. Both the methyl groups will get number 2, isn't it? If you start from right side, this gets number 2, but this will get higher number. So that we are supposed to start from left side. Okay, right. So now there are 2 methyl groups at second carbon, 1 methyl group at fifth carbon. So totally there are 3 methyl groups, isn't it? So it's a trimethyl. 6 carbon derivative. So hexane. Trimethyl hexane. Okay, right. Triple bond is at third carbon. So that 3 hexane. Then methyl groups are at second carbon and fifth carbon, isn't it? So 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 2 comma 2. Then fifth carbon also methyl. 2 comma 2 comma 5 trimethyl 3 hexane is the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay. Now let us go for the next one. Right. Now here we don't go for the horizontal one for selecting the parental carbon chain, because if you choose the horizontal one, you have only 6 carbon atoms, isn't it? Starting from 1, 5, 6. But look at this one. So when you have ethyl group here, so if you choose this as the longest carbon chain, there you are getting 7 carbon atoms, isn't it? So that this is supposed to be considered as the longest carbon chain, parental carbon chain, 7 carbon atoms with triple bond, so it is heptine. Then we have to start numbering from the right hand side by giving least number to the triple bond. Okay, here triple bond is given preference over the alkyl substituent, methyl substituent, isn't it? Right, numbering is done from right hand side, so that now this methyl groups are getting number 4. Fourth carbon there is a methyl group. Fifth carbon there are 2 methyl groups, so that it is supposed to be 4 methyl 5 comma 5 dimethyl heptine, triple bond at second carbon, so 2 heptine. The complete name is 4 comma 5 comma 5 4 comma 5 comma 5 trimethyl 2 heptine. Okay. The next one, CH triple bond C, single bond C, triple bond CH. It's a alkyne with 2 triple bonds, isn't it? So that it is supposed to be called diene, isn't it? So 4 carbon derivative, butadiene. The triple bonds are at carbon 1 and 3, isn't it? About 1 comma 3 butadiene. Okay. So look at the next one. An alkyne with 3 triple bonds, isn't it? So that it is supposed to be triene, isn't it? Then 6 carbons are there. So hexatriene. The location of triple bond at carbon number 1, 3 and 5. So that 1 comma 3 comma 5 hexatriene is the IUPAC name of this compound. Right. Thank you.